Assalamu alaikum everybody, it's me Anaya Lodi and it's my team Aliza and Maryam. Today we are presenting you the human nervous system. Human nervous system is in other vertebrates is centralized nervous system. It's network of other nerves and organs, other stimuli in the environment. Centralized nervous system consists of two phases: the central nervous system CNS and the peripheral nervous system PNS. The central nervous system is the process of the human, and it regulates everything your body does. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain is the command center of the human body. It protected by membrane called meninges. It has empty ventricles filled with cerebrospinal fluid called CSF. The brain have so many important parts. First is cerebrum. The cerebrum is considered to be the seat of intelligence. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. The cerebrum consists of hemisphere, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. Right hemisphere regulates left side of the body and left hemisphere control right side of the body. Each hemisphere have four lobes: temporal lobe, frontal lobe, parietal lobe and occipital lobe. Frontal lobe regulates our thoughts, emotions, and parietal lobe regulates our different sensations like temperature, body pressure, and temporal lobe regulate our hearing, speech, and occipital lobe regulate our vision. So second is the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus regulate our life maintaining functions like body temperature, hunger, thirst, and third is hippocampus. Hippocampus related to our memory. And fourth is amygdala. Amygdala is small seated area which regulate our behavior, our emotions. And fifth is pituitary gland, that is growth hormone. It regulates our growth. So I would like to call Aliza for
8 parts of the brain is cerebellum. Cerebellum is the part of brain which controls coordination and balance. It's located between back of the head near spinal cord. Activities like drawing, drafting, etc. Sixth part is medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata is the part of brain which connects spinal cord to the brain stem. It's control involuntary action like a digestion, breathing, blinking of eyes, etc. Last, pons. Pons is the part of brain. It's located between midbrain and medulla oblongata. It controls facial muscles and also help us sleeping and waking. And last part is brain stem. Brain stem is the part of brain which connect to the spinal cord. It's help us to control many functions like a digestion, breathing, etc. Now I just saying, Maryam, come.
Second part of CNS is spinal cord. Spinal cord is the butterfly-shaped, thick, whitish, long tube which arises the medulla oblongata, extend down toward vertebrate column. Spinal cord at the communication pathway between the brain, the rest of the body. Spinal cord play a key role in controlling movement, receiver reflexes. Thank you.